Hey WordPress League, I'm going to throw that back again with another episode of Ninja Forms. In this episode, I will share with you what you will get in their premium membership of the Ninja Forms. Actually, the Ninja Forms, which comes with, it's completely free. The core features are obviously free, but if you want to extend your form or extend your, if you want to scale your form from capabilities, then you have to go for the premium add-ons or premium extensions. So they have options. You can choose any single add-on and you can all buy all pack or go for the membership plans. So in this video I will show how you can get their premiums and what will be available in the premium versions, and more likely the Ninja Forms will turn 10. Actually, they are running the form business for 10 years. In the July 28, it will comes with their anniversary sale, and it will be a huge amount of discount. If you want to buy the premium version of the Ninja Forms or premium membership, if you have to grab the premium memberships of the Ninja Forms, then definitely get your notification on where you will get the notification. So here is the link. I will give the link in the description. The Ninja Forms celebration, they are celebrating their 10-year celebrations. Since 2011 they are in the WordPress ecosystem, and the sale will be on in the June 28th. This is the 10th June, and the sale will be available from the June 28th to July 9th. In this time, if you want to make a reminder call, just sign up this form. I will share the link in my description. You will get the sign up link from here to make yourself notify yourself by filling up the form. So this is how you can save a bigger amount, a bigger chunk for your Ninja Form subscriptions. So that's all about for the premium call for the Ninja Forms, and I am giving an extra shout out for that. This is a very excellent plugin, excellent form builder plugin. So you can do lots of things in the free version, but in the premium version you have some extensional features. There's a not in that's not available. That's not the regularly used features, but it's a mandatory features for you if you want to extend the features of your form fields. So let's hop on the main video, or what you will get in the premium version I will share in this tutorial. But before jumping on the video, I'll give a short note to subscribe my channel and subscribe and give a thumbs up to encourage me, and share with your friend if you find this useful. And if you searching on the Google and get this video tutorial, so you will get the idea what you will get in the premium version of the Ninja Form. Okay, jump on my screen, computer screen. Okay, in the premium version of Ninja Forms, you will get all these premium features. The premium features of conditional logic. Conditional logic means if you select your form by or periodically set your form. If you conditional forms could be like that. Here is an example given by their conditional forms. You can say this kind of, if you click here, the new form field would be available. So if you are creating a survey form like that, so if someone say a gender-based survey form, if you are running an e-commerce site, so if you want to know which type of features or which type of products if your users are continuously liking, so you can create the gender based form. Like the female version will get this type of form field category, or the male version will get this kind of field category. If someone select the gender option female, then it will show a different form. Or if someone select the gender version male, then you can select show the different type of things or different forms for the users. Also, you can set the generic field so that all kind of people are those who are not interested to share their gender information, so there could be, you can set a generic form field. So this is how you can customize your form settings by using their conditional form field. It's available in the premium version. So it's an add-on. You can buy it as a single add-on from here. This is the most interesting features of the Ninja Form Pro membership plan. Multi-step form. You can set a survey forms could be better for interactive options for the multi-step. So step 1 in the demographic data, step 2 the other personal data, generic data, personal data, and survey related question in the step 3, and at last on the submit button. It could be here. The most interesting and essential features you should buy if you want to go for a premium plan, then these layout and styles. It's an amazing thing, and it is very much helpful if you want to create extraordinary form field like that, or like this type of form field. You definitely need this if you want to add styling, if you want to say row or column based or 3-column based form field in a single form, then you will definitely need this. Also, you can do styling with the Ninja Forms style out and styles add-on. So it is an essential add-on for you. So if you want to, there is another thing, the save progress. Say if you want to do that, advanced date picker, you can select the advanced date picker. You can buy this if you need extraordinary advanced feature rather than the default advanced advanced date picker of the WordPress, but you can create a colorful extra features added of a date picker. Then you can buy that for your own. Okay, moving forward, if you need a file uploading options, then you have to buy this add-on. And if you need a PDF submission, so I get a query in several Facebook group of WP admin, but most probably in this group I got some people are just asking for is there any form plugin those who are have the PDF form submission. So that means if someone say submit a form information, and it will be sent to the admin or the send an email by in a PDF version. All the data field will be submitted as a PDF version. So it's a very interesting features. Also, it could be invoice type form field, or it could be a quotation type form field. It will say helpful for you to show your management. So PDF form submission can be used in the quotation based service providers. So it could be your niche. So here is the Zapier integrations, Excel export. You can export the data from there into Excel. More interestingly, you can create a payment form by using their PayPal, Stripe, and Elavon and Recurly integrations. Now comes with the marketing tools. You have it comes with the Mailchimp integration, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, MailPoet, AWeber, Email Octopus, CleverReach, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign. These are all the email marketing tools and email automation tools. Also, it helps you to create the funnels, so you can use them. More interestingly, some other interesting features, front-end posting submission. So if you have any options for submission, if you allow your users to submit guest posts from the front end, you can use this field, this add-on. This is very interesting add-on actually. It helps to enlarge it helps to scale your font submission field. Post, you can directly the features, you can create post page, custom page types in your WordPress form. Set the default post you can set the submitted form can be set as a draft, or you can directly give the access to some trusted authors. So you can you don't want to give them a backend access, so you just give them this form field. So request them to upload these each options. So the author's post can be directly submitted, or you can set it as a pending mode or draft mode. So you can set the default categories or taxonomy, allow users to select tags and categories. So it could be a front-end blog editing tool, so you can use it in that way. So if you were running a multi-author website, so in your website the authors can write posts and several authors can write posts, so you can use this form field, use this feature to if you don't want to show your backend to the authors, those who have limited access, those limited works, in that if you have several security related concern, so you can use these features. This feature is only for you. So this is the most interesting features for the multi-author sites. Also, they have a help scout integration, so if you have a support form or technical issue related form, you can create a form. And you have a help scout integration. Help scout is the most popular in the ticketing services for giving service through the mailing service. So the form filler definitely direct to the client or users or those who are manager of the help scout account, so they can solve the issues through their options. So this is very interesting features. User management, you also know that. So this is all about you will get in the premium membership. Now, how much it will cost you to if you buy their premium membership. So here is the pricing page of the Ninja Forms. So if you want to buy the agency plan, then it will cost, normally it will cost $499. Now they have a sale on their site, you will get it at $249, almost half. And the professional package, it comes with this package, and it will cost you $99 now, but normally it cost is almost $200. So the professional package, they have said this is the best value. You will get a 20 sites, but this one is for the agency owners, those who are running an agency and want to provide their subscriber, their users or their clients the extra features. So with their form fills, Ninja Form can be the best option. So these are options. Oh, migrate. They have agency plan have options plus 100% off any feature add-on release. Oh, that's great. Or in this case, this is the another point to be noted. All the features you will get in the currently available, but if they have a plan to feature new features added on this, so you have to pay 40%, 60% extra to get that features. The new add-on will not be added, will not be shipped in this package, but only agency plans will get that features. So that's all the pricing plans for the membership packages of the Ninja Forms. If you find this useful, then definitely you can buy this. Or more interestingly, they have a plan to sell, running a sale on 80% off. So if you want to stay a little bit, then you will get it's 20 June, and you will get the chance after 7 days. You will get the huge opportunity to save your money. So don't waste. It's not wasting money. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, don't. You can minimize your cost. Actually, they are running a sale on their 10th anniversary of Ninja Forms. Okay. Another thing I like to share. The individual plans differs from individual pricing. So if you want to buy the add-on of the front-end posting, you have to cost a single site at $39. But in case of layout and styling, you have to cost it will cost you $49. So this is all about for Ninja Forms premium membership packages. What you will get in the premium membership packages after purchasing a plugin add-on, you have to I'll just show you how you can upload these the features. You have to just go to your plugin section and just add new section and hit the upload button, upload plugin, then choose the plan of which you have downloaded. I have already added two add-ons here. I will show you in a later. This is the conditional logic and layout and styles. So I will show it on the next video so that you can get the idea how we can use the conditional logic of the Ninja Forms, and also you can get the idea how we have to. I will get a chance to layout and styles features of the Ninja Forms. So these features will be activated. If you activate the feature add-ons, it will show you here activate. Okay, those which are not available here, it will show this the learn more button. So this is the way how you can get the Ninja Forms add-ons and activate the add-ons from here. So this is all about for the premium plans of the Ninja Forms. So my dear friend, if you found this useful and if you find you will be needed these features, so then definitely you have to choose those add-ons. You don't have to buy several tools, and just go to your premium membership package and get all the features if you need all them. Or if you need an extra features, if you need a single package, then you can do. The best part of this Ninja Forms is you don't have to cost for everything. If you need a single plan, then go for the single add-on. So most of the form plugins have the feature to have their bundle package. So if you don't, or maybe you don't need the save progress options, you don't need the advanced Datepicker, or you don't need the file uploading option, or if maybe you don't need the forms, you have only needed this only two features, as like I am using these two features to show, in my site. So if I want to if they have only options for a bundle package, then you have to cost a lot, but currently you have only two options to say. But interestingly, if you buy the single package of the 39 and the 49, almost close to the this package professional, now they are on sale. In a normal case, it's not almost that case. So it's up to you to choose your plan. So they have a single package plan, or they have a multiple bundle package for membership plan. So it's up to you, my dear friend, which you save your bucks or save your money back. Then you have to choose your one, and obviously buy the things that which one you need. Don't buy extra things. Save your money and use it on other way. It's the best way for saving money. Thank you, my dear friend, for watching this tutorial. If you found this useful, in my next video I will show how to use the conditional block and how to use the display style add-on in the Ninja Forms. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this useful, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And this is all about for Ninja Form. Ninja. Stay tuned. Tada, bye bye. See you in the next video. And in the next video I will definitely show you something interesting features in hands-on experience of the conditional logic and the style features of the Ninja Forms. Tada, bye bye. See you in the next tutorial of the Ninja Form.